Hello, it's Drew here from Brit Chat Club with idioms used in the UK. In today's video, we'll be looking at the idiom break the ice. In these videos, I'm going to explain idioms that are commonly used in the UK. Remember, an idiom is a phrase or a group of words where the meaning is not understood by looking at each individual word. Break the ice. This idiom has been around since the 17th century. Let's check out the definition. So, what does it mean to break the ice? It means to start a conversation in a social situation, typically to ease tension or awkwardness, and to make a more comfortable and open atmosphere. Let's look at some examples. A social example could be, at the party, John told a funny joke to break the ice. Soon, everyone was laughing and chatting together. A work example might be, at the meeting, the team leader played a game to break the ice, so everyone was more comfortable sharing their ideas. A romantic example might be, to break the ice on their first date, Sarah asked James about where he'd been travelling. A classroom example could be, the teacher asked the students to share an interesting fact about themselves to break the ice on the first day of school. So, can you think of any examples in your life where you could have used this idiom to break the ice? Let me know in the comment section below. Next, let's look at the origin of this idiom. As I said, it's been in use since the 17th century. It dates back to the practice of breaking ice to clear the way for ships. In colder areas and over large bodies of water, ice would form, and large ships wouldn't be able to get through. So, small boats would go out and break the ice in front of the large ships to let them pass. This metaphor was then applied to social interactions, where breaking the ice means taking the first step to reduce tension or remove barriers, making it easier for others to follow and engage in conversation. That's it for today's idiom, breaking the ice. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to like and subscribe. And if you're interested in taking online lessons with me, check out my website, britchatclub.com. See you next time for idioms used in the UK. Bye!